Please give a big round of applause. Words, please.
السلام عليكم. في البداية نشكرهم على اختيارهم لراس الخيمة ولراكز، ونحن على أتم الاستعداد أن نكون داعمين لهم وعلى إنجاح هذا المشروع إن شاء الله. شكرا.
Pleasure moment to be here with all of you, and I hope Mr. Rana to succeed in this project and be with us in Dubai also with the same plans, and hope all best wishes and succeed in the life.
It's my honor to be here with such gentle people, and I'm proud of Mr. Rana and the support of Rakaz, and I'm sure project.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. I would like to say, first of all, great thanks to Mr. Rana for the wonderful day of his career and capital engineering career as well. Do you know what is going to come in this first phase of 138,000 square meters? I would like to say a few companies, production companies is going to come. You'll be amazed. Air taxi production in this area, we are trying our best. That's Mr. Dr. Rana's vision. So we are all following him to achieve his goal, and then the Ras is going to be the one of the tech hub in this region. I wish best wishes to all the people who are here, especially you.
Thank you once again. I already explained what we are going to do here. So I say this is not a project. This is a innovating hub. You can find the name of factories and locals. And the neighboring Emirates, this Fujairah and Ulmulpain, they are our local partners, local employees. So their growth will be here itself. They will learn, they will do their own businesses. They want to do higher jobs, they can do with us. So this project is going to be spread in the globe. So this is a startup. So today I am part of this much big team. So at least I can say whoever sitting here, these are not
Links also available.